You've been working on a feature, your teammate has been working on another, and now it's time to merge both sets of changes. But instead of a smooth process, you're hit with a dreadful merge conflict. What happened? A merge conflict occurs in modern version control when two branches have made conflicting changes to the same part of a file. Since Git or any version control system can't automatically decide which change to keep, it throws up its hands and asks you to step in. These conflicts typically happen when two people edit the same line of code, delete a section that the other modifies, or make overlapping structural changes. In an ideal world, every merge would be automatic. But in reality, conflicts pop up, especially in fast-moving projects with multiple contributors. So how do you fix it? First, open the file with conflicts. You'll see conflict markers showing the different versions of the code. One from your branch, the other from the branch you're merging. Your job is to decide which version to keep or merge the changes in a way that makes sense. Once the conflicts are resolved, you save the file, add the resolved file to staging, commit the changes, and complete the merge. Branches exist to keep development organized, allowing teams to work on features separately without disrupting the main codebase. But when changes need to be merged back in, version control systems like Git help track and integrate them. Most merges happen seamlessly, but when they don't, that's when manual intervention is required. If changes don't overlap, Git can automatically merge them. But when two edits conflict, you need to handle it manually. This is where three-way merging comes in. Git compares the base version, the common ancestor of both branches, with each branch's changes and highlights conflicts that need to be resolved. Most teams will use pull requests to review and merge code changes. This process helps catch conflicts early, ensuring code is reviewed and tested before merging. Platforms like Harness, GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket provide built-in tools for handling most conflicts directly in browser, making resolution easier. The best way to deal with conflicts is to prevent them in the first place. Keep your branches up to date by pulling changes frequently. Commit often, and communicate with your team to avoid stepping on each other's work. Smaller, focused changes also make merging easier. Merge conflicts can be frustrating, but they're a natural part of collaborative development. Knowing how to handle them efficiently will keep your workflow smooth and your team productive. If this helped clear up how merge conflicts work, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights on version control and software development. See you next time.